Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channels. Today I'm going to teach you how to set class path in Java. Okay, so you have a two way to set a class path. One is temporary and other one is permanent. So you have a two way to set the class path. So permanent and temporary. So temporary you can set in your terminals. For examples, if you press control home plus R, here you write cmd, just enter. So this is the one of the terminals. You can set your path this terminal only. If you want to set one more path for other terminal also, if you open two terminals, for examples, if you open two terminals, so if you are going for the temporary path, then you have to set here also and here also. So I'm going to discuss about it. Okay, so simply just close it everything. And before going to set path, it's mandatory you have installed JDK in your system. I already covered in the previous video. So you just go to your C drive. C drive having a one file called program files. Program files having a one Java files. In this Java having a JDK. So JDK 16, JDK 13, JDK 12, 8, everything is available. So I am going to use latest version. So up to bin you have to copy this path only. Just copy this one path, and you have to know where you want to run your program. For examples, if you want to run your programs in the C drive, you go to C drive, you have P drive having a folder called YouTube Java. So you want to set temporary path in that place. So just click right click and right click. Yeah, otherwise you can do one thing. You go to this one as a, or then after you just type cmd, you get this interface. So you want to set path, so you just type set path equal to, and whatever you copy you just paste here. So this path is saved. How you know this path is saved or not? For this you have to create one program. Okay, for examples, I'm going to create one program class. You don't worry about it, why you are creating class, you don't teach it, but just a testing purpose I'm going to create. Okay, so test, this is the test class, and I'm going to write public statics void main. Something error also I'm going to display a string args. Okay, so you just chota kar lo, and here you have to print hello. So system dot out dot println, and println inside hello. Okay, so you want to check this is running or not. So just go where you want to save your P drive, to go to the P drive. P drive inside having a one folder called YouTube test. So this is above only. Click here and just write here test.java, nothing else. Okay, go to these files, you can see there is your test. Okay, so you are already set the class path. So how you can run and compile, you already know. Java C command with you can compile your program. So test.java. So Java C is one of the compilers, and test is your what? Test is your class name. Yeah, you can say this is your file name and .java extension. So I have drawn. Little bit it takes some time to compile this test.java file. Okay, it's saying one error is available in this field. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it because I already declared this array. So go to this files and just say statics and save it. Come on again and just click upper arrow. You can get same command, and now this is compiled and I want to run this. So Java or test. Finally it's printing hello. So you are setting through this, it is a simple path. For examples, you want to open one more terminals. So go to your program files, click here and write one more CMD. So you are open one more CMD and you want to compile your code. For example, Java C test.java. Okay, so it's already happening. Okay, and Java test hello. Okay, just cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. Everything is gone. Okay, what you have to do here, once more time you have to check it. Okay, once more time you have to check it to go to the P drive and YouTube and just click here, go to CMD and write here Java C test.java and okay, actually problem is I have already set this class path in my system. If you are not set it class path, I will show you, then it is not going to run in these other terminals. Oh my god, I forget this point, sorry. So I already save it, that's why it runs any terminals. If you are using this temporary, then it's not going to run. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can set permanent path, and everyone setting this path only. If you set this path permanent path, then you can run and compile every time anywhere in your directory. Okay, so just go to the C directory, program files having a Java and JDK16 and just going to the bin, and up to bin you just copy it and come to the this program files and just click here, right click. Yeah, you just click all these things and just click right. Go to the properties. Here is no properties, only personalized. So that's why I'm saying go to that place and go to the where my PC. Here you have to click right click. If you click right, you can get it properties. Click on the properties, go to the advanced system variable setting, advanced system setting. Once you entered go to the environment variables and don't go this system variables, go to the user variables for Dales and just click here path. So already you are setting the path, you have already this, so just edit. Yeah, otherwise you have so many options. New, you can click here, right here path, path, and whatever you copy just paste it, click OK and OK. Okay, your path is set. Now you don't want to do anything, everything is happened, and now you can run your program files in anywhere in your system. Okay, Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you know how you can set temporary path and how you can set permanent path. So permanent path is very important, and it is necessary to set for executing your program. Okay.